is tall and with a hybrid nose. Is it correct or no? Is it right that the Espanola is fair, tall, with a hybrid nose? Do you agree with me? Yeah! Oh, very few is agreeing with me. Do you agree with me? And today, there is a surprise. Here is a Spanish lady before you who is short, dark, with a flat nose. And that's me, David Garcia. Here she is. Okay, I'll do my work. Welcome to another monthly event of Forever Young. And on behalf of our directors and officers, wishing you all a happy Sunday. Is it Sunday today? Oh, very few are listening. Is it Sunday today? Okay, that's better. Thanks for sharing your time with us today and dance with a bit of the vibrant music provided by our dynamic DJ, Mr. Romel. Give him a big applause. Is for the birthday celebration for the month of September. And later, we will witness the crowning of our Miss Continental of 2015 with all the Beauty International. Our next event will be on October 5. It will be our election of officers, and we request you to come earlier, 12 o'clock or even earlier. Before we call our president, let us have a special number to open greetings.
Hi lahat, and good afternoon for coming and attending this international course event. And perso, para madali tayo, I would like to acknowledge and thank the presence of our community leaders, starting with Mr. Fernando Salanga, the President of PhilPex. Ayun, si Mr. Salanga. And siyempre, kasama si Mimi, no other than the Gerardo. Pagkakit naman, si Fatima pala, hindi si Mimi. Naka-Fatima. And, wala bang, the President of PhilGanes, Madam Perla Leperata. With Mr. Delphine Anciaga. And the Vice President, Rose Tidle. The President of the Filipino Zodiac Circle. Si Hito. Hindi pa na ako karunahan yan. Baka may alipat lang din. Wala yung Vice President ko, ano ba?
Meron ba?
Ha? The President of the Filipino Seniors Club, Ruben Juquino! With his First Lady, Venus Juquino! O wala yung mga Vice President, ha? Hindi bale, nandiyan naman si Mami Doing. Wala ka kasi dyan si Mrs. Bagulo. And we have here the former President of Filipino Seniors Club, Don Rinsan. Ayan. Ang parating na nila. Kay Nene, siyempre. Asan si Nene? And the former President of PhilGanes, Mr. Cosme Malapitan, with Kamarji Malapitan. We have the Vice President and MAA hopeful, Juliet Andalis, Vice President ng MABC. The former President of Mrs. Elipa Garcia. Chopilo Garcia, Mano, kumusta ka na? Okay na? Okay pa, kaya-kaya. Pwede mo pa ulit pakasalan si Aling Elipa. And, sino po ba ano dito? Baka, siyempre, si Governor Clemente Santiago de Nati Santiago. And then, we have the representative ng Seniors Brigade Society and the present project coordinator ng Raising Awareness for Elderly Abuse, Ching Orquilla and Freddy Ortel na ano ko na kaya Aling Filipa. Baka may nakakalimutan pa tayo, wala na ba? And then, President or the first President ng Forever Young, Mr. Cesar Manyo, of course, si Helen Manyo kasama ang First Lady. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun dahil parang si Rolito de la Rosa yung malaking sila. The President of Zambales Association, June Domacena, with his saan si Carly? Nag-BBS. Nakutan ako, pasensya na kayo. Mahirap magsayo. Puro pawis yun. Mahirap magsayo And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you the people behind the success of Forever Young. I would like to call one by one this executive director, executive officer, and directors of the Forever Young Senior Society, starting with the Vice President and Director, Manita Labot. Please join me here, Manita. We have another director, Erlinda Jimena. Another director, Dr. Artita Punsalan. Oh, bakit wala si Juan? Amen, Rogelio. Ito, sinabang Lander, kung maglakad eh. And we have Lina Tunesa. Assistant Treasurer, wala rin. Oh, tama. Si David nga pala. Nakakalimutan ko si David eh. Kasi nagiging teenager. Ating Director, David Garcia. Wala yung Treasurer. Secretary, nandito na yung Secretary natin. Treasurer, wala. Assistant Treasurer, wala si Adora. Then we have the auditor, Merlina Payusal. Mila Sinyo. Cantoria. Yasin. Pinipigil niya rin yun eh. We have the Sergeant at Arms, yung peace officer, security officer, Leo Molina. We have an election for the 9 directors, the President and Vice President, for the Forever Young Senior Society. And now, our tenure is nearing to close. And as mandated by our bylaws and Constitution, the Board of Directors resolved that an election should be conducted on October 5. Dito rin po, October 5, next month. Magkakaroon tayo ng